Hi everyone, and welcome to my Food and Thoughts channel. I am Chantal, and I just wanted to officially thank you all so much for joining my Food and Thoughts community. So I created this channel because I absolutely love to cook, and I know many people also like cooking, and some may desire to learn how to cook. So I thought this would be a great resource to share like fun recipes. This channel is basically mostly focused on vegetarian and pescatarian, and while we cook, we will also be having like fun conversations, so it's called Food and Thoughts. We'll be having conversations about life, entrepreneurship, personal development, purpose, love, all that fun stuff while we cook, so it's supposed to be a fun community just for us to grow together on all aspects. So I just wanted to thank y'all again for joining. Please don't forget to subscribe and share with a friend, and every other week I'll be posting something great and exciting, so stay tuned.